Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy a baby Dogecoin on OKX wallet. As you can see, it is already listed on OKX and it's pretty easy to buy it with USDT. So for you to have USDT, you can go ahead and just buy it right there, straightly on OKX, just like so, and buy it with your credit card, for example. Another way would be to just deposit it, for example, from Binance. So you just basically select the cryptocurrency, select network and deposit. Once you will have USDT on your account, you're gonna go to trade and to convert. Sorry, not convert, but spot. On the spot trading, you will need to go ahead and search for the coins, and you are gonna search for Baby Doge. And once you have wrote Baby Doge USDT, you're gonna find it here. And now you're gonna scroll down until you see buy Baby Doge. So from here you can go ahead and enter the amount which you want to go ahead and buy. That's how much it will cost you. And after that, you just basically click buy Baby Doge and you will see it on your assets on OKX. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.